In this program, we'll write a program to calculate the ready-mix concrete, the volume of ready-mix concrete. So to calculate the volume of ready-mix concrete, firstly, we will create three files using JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Firstly, we have to create a HTML file. I think the audio is available. The audio is available. Hello. Is that, I think the audio is available. So firstly, save the file as HTML dot, say in the desktop, in the project, say I'll create a new folder, name, it will be record 401. Say the record will be full. Name the folder name, and within a folder, I have to create a index.html file, save it, the index.html file. Again, create another file, save it as style.css. Save the file at style.css. And again, let's check. Okay, now create another file, name, say new text file. Save it as, say the file will be app.js. So we create three files, one JavaScript file, one CSS file, and one index file to calculate. Say, let's bring it little bit smaller. Okay, let's bring it little bit smaller. And firstly, we have to generate the live server. Let's firstly open the folder. Our folder is, we are in the right folder. Yes, we are in the right folder, selecting. So we are in the same folder, opening the three files together. I opened the three file already, and open the live server. Let's see, we can see the live server here, and little bit minimize our program to adjust. Little bit minimize. Now, firstly, we have to work with the HTML file. To work with the HTML file, say we have to create the boilerplate code. Create the boilerplate code. Change the title of the program. The title will be concrete mix calculator. Concrete mix calculator. The name of the program will be concrete mix calculator. So this is our program. Save it. We can see the change. Minimize the left portion of the Explorer part, and the body part, before the body part, at the end of the heading part, I have to add the CSS file using the link :CSS. I will link the CSS file with the HTML, then again link the script. Link the script, that is our JavaScript file, with the HTML. Now both two files are connected. In the HTML, first we have to create a container div. To take a container div, and within the container div, I will write everything here. So in the container div, firstly create a header tag, write that the concrete mix calculator. Write this and save it. Now open the live server. We can see that the concrete mix calculator is displaying in the right side. Now give some break. Give a break. And after the break, firstly we have to provide a label. level for input. This will be volume. It will be volume, and is written volume of concrete. Volume of concrete, and the value will be, it will be wet mix, wet, and written CFT in the CFT, volume of concrete. We can see that a volume of concrete wet in the CFT, then add a input. The input will be what? The input will be number. You have to enter a number and provide a ID. ID for the input will be volume. Volume ID will be the volume wet, and provide a placeholder name, enter volume wet, volume of concrete. Save it. We can see is displaying the wet volume of concrete wet in CFT. That's it. Next, we have to provide another level. Copy it. This level is for, say, this. Before leveling, we have to write a paragraph tag here. In the paragraph, it will be written input concrete ratio, mix ratio. Input concrete mix ratio. It will be written. And we can provide a ID. The ID will be text, content. Save it. You can see that input concrete mix ratio. And after that, we have a level. For first level, it will be sand. It will be cement. Cement will be number. The ID will be cement, and place will enter cement ratio. Save it. You can see cement ratio, input concrete mix ratio, then cement ratio. We have to copy it again and again, and one time more. After cement ratio, pressing Control D, it will be sand ratio. Then again, Control D, it will be coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate ratio. And lastly, select Control D. We have to select for water. It will be water ratio. Save it. We can see that there is ratio for cement, sand, coarse aggregate, and water. Make it the cement, sand. The writing will be cement will be capital. Okay. ID, whatever ID is okay. Sand is capital. Sand should be capital. Coarse aggregate, write it like this. And the water will be capital. To input the values. Save it. You can see cement, sand, water, coarse aggregate, everything. So after that, there will be break. There will be a break. And after this break, what we can do, we can assign, we have to get the output. The output will be like this. The output will be, say, output will be a level. Output can be a level. The level writes volume, calculated volumes, calculated volumes. it will be written. Calculated volume, we do not need actually result. We need to calculate the result actually, result. It will be result, give it, and there will be a span tag. In the span tag, it will give a ID. The ID will be say cement, and save it. We can see the result, volume result. We can see a span tag for cement, not result actually. It will be say bags of cement. How many bags of cement are required? It will be a ID. Save it. Give it a colon, and provide a control C, control break. It will be a level for, will be a level actually, not level actually. We can provide a level for level for this will be level for calculation. And within that, provide a break, and copy in, control V, we can get sand, and again control C, control V, we can get uh, coarse aggregate, provide the ID. Oh, the problem, it will be the result, cement result. ID will be cement result, sand result, and it will be coarse aggregate result. And there will be result for water also. That will be result for water. Okay. You can save it. Now go to the, now we can go to the, just save it. We can go